What's happening, everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing right here the auto headlight switch, also the Euro switch as the fog lights on here, or you can shut off daytime running lights with this. Comes with the automatic sensor right here, and yeah, we're going to be replacing, it's kind of hard to see with this lighting, this gauge right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this, how to mount it and everything. So let's get into it. Alright, so first thing, take the switch, make sure it's in the off position right there, and you push in pretty hard. You'll hear it make a noise and turn, and it locks halfway, and then you just pull the whole switch out just like this, right? And then on the back there's two clips on the side. Squeeze these in. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. That pops that off. There's our old switch. Toss that over here. Then what we got to do in this kit comes with a little plastic trim piece. We're just going to pop the fuse panel off, and also this big panel, which this one's cracked apparently. So just kind of get up under it. You might need the bigger, stronger end for it. Get up under it. You can see the three clips on it. Kind of just wiggle it out. Okay. Now I'm gonna see if I can set this GoPro up somewhere. This one has this wire. So this is our auto sensor. Since it's the daylight, I'm just gonna undo it real quick and stretch it out. Actually, I should have showed you first, but if you follow the wiring back, you can reach in. This is the wire right here. And we're just gonna take our sensor and we'll literally just feed it in. There it is. Grab onto it, pull the slack through. Okay, now this is an important step right here. If you want the coming home lights to work, basically when you unlock the car or lock it, it turns the headlights on for 15 seconds, and the interior lights, pretty sure it's the interior lights too. It's at least the headlights. This pin, let's see, where is it? Third one in right here. It says TFL on it. You have to bend that. So we're just gonna take it and bend it down because I do want this. Otherwise, the light's always on. So this gets rid of the running lights and enables the nighttime mode when it senses it's dark. So I literally just take my key, bend it down just like that. Now we're gonna take our clip, and it works even with that pin bent. You just gotta kind of force it a little harder. Jeez, these bugs are bad. Just like that. There's the click. Pull this cable through and gently line this up just like that. Snaps into place. Go pull it back out. There's our new headlight switch. I pretty much leave it on auto because that way the sensor can tell if it's dark and I hit unlock, the lights will come on. If it's light, it'll just unlock the car. Forget what this one does. This one's obviously headlights. This one in my car with the halos turns the halos on. So this might be running lights or parking lights. And then these are your fog lights, so one pole turns them on. I'm not sure what the second one does. That might be for the fog lights. If it comes factory on the headlights, that might be the switch for that one. But there it is. Same thing, if you ever need to remove this, you push in and turn and it slides out. So then we're gonna take our headlight wire right here, or our sensor wire, my bad. Tuck it right into the dash. And I'm gonna use that plastic pry tool. There it is. And just tuck that back there. And now I'm gonna set you up and I'm just gonna tuck the wiring and mount it and show you how it goes. Okay, hopefully you can see that good. So now we got our sensor wire, and I believe you're supposed to put it towards the middle of the dash. You can put it right in the corner. I have my inspection sticker here that blocks a lot of the light, so I don't really want to do that. I'm gonna try and go, let me see if I can turn you more over here. So I'm gonna take the sensor wire, figure out where I want to place it. I'm gonna say right here is gonna be fine, and then lay this along the back just to show me how much slack I need. Yeah, we'll call it right there. I'm gonna hold it there and slide the tool along. Try and get it tucked back there, which it doesn't really want to. I mean, it doesn't have to be. Don't really want it doing that. I think right there is going to be fine. If it would stay down, which it doesn't want to. That might have done it. That seems pretty promising. So I'm going to take this and peel off the little 3M tape on the back. Trying to. Actually, I gotta clean the dash first so I have something to stick to. Alright, dash is nice and dried. I'm gonna try and get this 3M tape off. Oh, we got it like that. And then as I angle this back, I'm gonna push the wires down, find the spot that seems good. I'm gonna say right here. It's not a huge deal really where it goes, just as long as it gets direct sun when you're driving coming towards you. Seems like it's got a pretty good stick there, so that's good. We're gonna turn back here, and now I'm just gonna take this wiring, and honestly, kind of a hack way to do it, but I'm gonna just shove it down here. The only reason I have this trim panel out is because I'm doing the headliner currently. If not, you would just do the same thing and just, like I did here, just push it along the whole way and it'll pop in. And then I'm gonna pull the slack out of it. I'll bring it back over. Alright, you see how it's ran up there all the way up to the sensor. Here, I got the slack. I'm gonna take it. Wiring's not a huge deal back here. I got the boost gauge wired up to it. This can lay right back there. That's fine. Then we're gonna grab our cover here. Just gonna get the bottom chunk. Here, let me adjust this. Bottom chunk in like that. Top one, you can see it's got room to lay over right there. I just gotta get this thing lined up. There we go. Just like that. Line up the clips. Like that. And then our fuse cover. Just like this. That's it. There she is. Not bad looking. So I'll show you right at the end of the video how it looks at nighttime with the auto headlights. Well, as far as when you hit the unlock button, I'll show you that because that's pretty cool. That's why I buy this kit. If anyone needs the link to it, message me and I'll drop it down below. But that's it. Thanks for watching.